Turtle, turtle. Oh, look at this cutie. Aww. We are kayaking again. This time, different spot. Yeah. I know, I seen him, so cute.
I had a pet baby turtle when I was a kid.
Oh, yeah? Oh, and there's some duckies.
Oh, he's leaving.
Ah, he's like, fuck this place.
Oh,
Look at the the ducks. Okay. Oh, hi. Just a family of little ducks. Oh, that's adorable. Aw. Look at the little family. Oh, and they're boo. In my view. Get out of my view. Oh. Not bad. It's geese. Look how cute they are. Aw. Just a little family. Mommy, dad, and the babies. Aw. So cute.